Hello, my friends out there. Welcome back to our reading class. Are you ready for reading? That's great. In today's lesson, you're gonna be looking at sound air. Air. Please repeat after me. Air. It's made up of three letters. Letter A, letter I, and letter R. When these letters are together, they make one sound. Air. Right now, let's look at words with sound air. Let's read. Ear, hair. Air, pear. Ch, air, chair. F, air, fair. S, ch, air, stairs. R, a, p, air, repair. Air, or t, airport. Good job. Right now, it's your turn. Good luck. Fair. Chair. Hair. Pear. Airport. Thank you for watching. I hope you were able to read all words correctly. Remember to subscribe in order to get more reading activities. Stay blessed. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.